Open the 10 kV PD cabinet. Have you ever thought about a question? Why is there a 3-phase high voltage system? Usually only these two transformers are installed. Today we will take this voltage transformer, decrypt the VV wiring in the cabinet. Full of dry goods, it is recommended to light the collection first. We need to deconstruct the device. J for voltage, D is single phase, Z is pouring. This is the absolute main force of indoor power distribution. It's essentially a step-down transformer. Can convert 10 kV high voltage to 100 volts low voltage. Here comes the core. How can two single-phase PDs play with a 3-phase system? Primary side. They are connected across the line voltages of phase AB and phase BC, respectively. Quadratic side. Connect according to the V shape. Induce a 3-phase low voltage signal. Distribution common sense. 10 kV ungrounded system. With 2 PTs, no need for 3. Then why are 2 enough? Look at this vector. 3-phase voltage can be derived from 2-phase line voltage. Save money and space with 2 PTs for VV wiring. But be aware of its limitations. It can only measure line voltage. Can't measure phase voltage. So just to sum up, 2 JDZ10 dry PT with VV wiring. It is in a 10 kV high voltage cabinet. Most classic, the most space-efficient voltage sampling scheme. Just understand its wiring and advantages and disadvantages. If you check the secondary circuit failure, you will not panic. Follow me, take you to learn more about electricity.